Hello and welcome to Beacon of Hope Facebook channel. For this video, we're hoping to deliver this in English and, of course, our very own Visayan language. And of course, the purpose of this one is not only to reach out to our fellow Himeneston in the Philippines, but of course, we're trying to reach out also as many brothers and sisters that we have in the whole world. So for this presentation, I will have to speak in English and Bisaya. So maayong adlaw kanatong tanan o welcome sa ato ang Beacon of Hope Facebook channel. Sa kaning presentation atong gamiton ang Bisaya o in English para pod masabtan sa atong mga igsuon nga dili kay kasabot og Bisaya. So once again, welcome og kaning presentation. For this presentation, I label this as how to use Beacon of Hope Facebook channel. So it will guide you on where to go and what to do using this Facebook channel. Now, basin na tingala mo na kay medyo first time gini siguro nga ang Facebook page atong gitawag nga Facebook channel. And this is aligned with our mission to deliver the good news, not just in within our community, but of course worldwide. So just bear with me with this presentation, a mix of English and a mix of Bisaya. So please allow me to share my screen. So hopefully naka-join na mo sa ato ang Facebook channel. So mao ninyo makita, this is where you can see Beacon of Hope Facebook channel. And as you can see, if I would scroll down, let me just close that one. Okay, there is discussion, there is guides, events, media files, and people. We are hoping to not just share videos, but of course files that you could use it as your references in whatever you intend to use for the purpose of browsing through our Facebook channel. But primarily, atong targeton nga mo click ta sa guides. Na we do not have yet the content for the guides, but you will see here guide 1, and there are going to be several guides that are going to be uploaded. So no, sa guide na atay kuan. Of course, primarily we will have our introduction. Okay? I will show you an example of unsay mahitabo kung naa na ang guide. So let me just stop share this and open another Facebook group nga akong gigamit sa ako ang klase. So once again, makita ninyo nga medyo pare-pareha ra og kuan, na ay discussion, na ay guides, na ay featured members, media, and files. Okay? So ini-click ninyo sa guides. Ni-click ninyo sa guides, makita ninyo ang mga resources nga among gipang share. So you can see files in here. You can have PDF. And you will also be sharing videos like this one. No? Inyo ra nang i-click o niya makita. And we're hoping to have this organized based on a particular topic or particular occasion that we are going to be delivering to you. So let's just look at this one. Link this here. So when you click on that one, it will lead you to a certain link or a certain file. Let's just go with a particular video link. Okay. Let me just scroll down. And these are just few na makita ninyo nga guide 4, na guide 5. Pwede po ta mag-quiz dire kung ganahan mo. And I will just scroll down to a video link that I shared. Okay, some links that you can find also. Scroll down sa ta. So, medyo pare-pareha nigdagway sa ato ang kuan pohon. no? Kung maplastar na nato. So in this case, kani siya, kung inyo na-click, it will lead you to YouTube. But all instructions na gid ni siya nabutang or na-organize sa ato ang kuana. Example lang na siya. So makita ninyo nga makita pod ninyo ang kana unsa nga video nga atong gi-appeal sa ato ang instruction. So I will close that one and introduce more. So kung unsa ang atong gibuhat diri or upload, whatever we upload here, makita po na siya sa ato ang discussion. Let's just click, well, that one. Okay. So that's guide 1. Okay, ako sa close. Kunya mo balik ta sa ato ang community homepage. Hope you could see that one. So discussion guides featured. So ang pinaka-importante nga atong click ko no kaning guides. So we could see yun sa pag-organize ang atong mga idea diri. Sa discussion common na ni siya kay makita nato mura ni siya mga news feed. So whatever we do, makita nato na diri na unsay mga updates sa ato ang nga page. Okay? So that's under discussion. Pero technically, I would direct you to go to guides. Kay sa guides, you would see what are going to be the topics that are going to be done in there or uploaded in there. So let me just stop share and go back sa ato ang um, main Facebook channel. Okay? So atong giawhag atong mga higala nga dili lang ta mo limit of course sa ato ang kuan. Pwede na to ni-share kung napay mga kaila nga naa sa gawas para makabalo po sila sa maayong balita. Pero before mo maka-join sa ato ang Facebook channel na atay gitawag nga group rules, no? Okay, of course, para ma-monitor po nato o maprotektahan nato ang atong mga kauban sa pagtuo, mas lami kung inyuhang pangalan, no? Ang inyuhang original nga name inyong gamiton. Ako ning siyang gisuwat nga English o Bisaya para masabtan gyud, no? Ang ato lang paningkamutan and we're hoping we would share respect or respect whatever opinions or situation that a certain person would have. No hate speech, walay mag-away, respect everyone's privacy, respetuhon ang privacy o dili ta mag-spam no. Ang atong tuyo diri is para sa kaayuhan. I think for somehow kung kinahanglanon pwede ta maka share kung natay ibaligya pero dili tong baligya nga medyo commercial baligya nga medyo related sa ato ang mga activities sa simbahan. So I hope nga okay mo ani nga group rules, no? Inyo lang na i-click para maka-join mo. Naapod tay participation question. If I may read, what draws you to join Beacon of Hope Facebook channel and how do you hope to grow in your faith through this community? Second question, are you familiar with the three angels' messages of Revelation 14? If yes, briefly share what it means to you. If not, are you willing to learn more about it? And of course, the third one, do you agree to participate respectfully and uphold the values of Christ-like character, including kindness, humility, and truthfulness in your interactions within this group? And this is what we're hoping to have in this Facebook channel. So I think that's it for now. And please watch out for whatever we're gonna be uploading through our Facebook channel. Okay? Beacon of Hope Facebook channel. So daghang salamat and see you all.